Are you trading Bitcoin using your Forex brokerage? So that's the question for this video. I noticed recently in our day trading room, there's so many more people talking about Bitcoin and having the odd trade here and the odd trade there. And it got me thinking. And I thought and just left it. And I said, I bet you're paying quite a spread. And I then started looking at the spreads. The thing with Bitcoin at the moment is of course, I say at the moment, it has been for a long time. It's big news and it's been moving quite well. There's some good correlations with different markets. And more traders are starting to wake up to the idea of using it, or trading it, should I say, which because of particularly the huge volatility. I mean, the average true range is somewhere in the region of 350 points, which a day, and that's the average. And take some of the big ones in there, and okay, the small ones are still probably about 300 points a day. So it's got a huge volatility. So people are interested. With huge volatility, go with huge spreads, of course. And I just thought I'd do this bit of analysis, and I'd welcome your feedback on this in terms of what you're being charged in terms of if you're using your Forex brokerage in terms of spread. Now, my own broker, LMAX, it's I say my own, I don't own it, I just trade with them. Make that clear from the outset, but it's one of our recommended brokers that we have on our best brokers online website. And we've done a lot of analysis of it, and well, recently they won on 27th of July. They were awarded the leading independent operator of institutional execution venues for FX and cryptocurrency trading. So I read a little bit more, and they turn out to be probably, in terms of CFDs on Bitcoin, the biggest provider. So I thought, well, let's have a look at what they're doing in terms of their spreads and compare that around. And here goes, brace yourself. There we go. Average spread 4.7. I say average, this was literally a snapshot at round about 3:30ish on an afternoon, and I'm actually recording this on the 31st of July. It will be going out slightly later because we've got more timely videos to send out, but it doesn't really matter. So there we are, 4.75 their spread between on the and this is their Bitcoin US dollar. So I then looked at core spreads, $30 spread. I looked at the big, I call them something else, or a lot of people call them something else when they use them for a while, but one of the biggest brokers out there, or they claim to be the biggest with CFDs and spread bet broker in the world. I almost felt like saying that in a Jeremy Clarkson voice, but I wouldn't dare. Anyway, there you are. That's their spread. So I mean, yep, they're down with the spread bettors, I suppose. And then markets.com, $50. Now, I could put a load more brokers on here. I'm sure you're going to let me know what your spreads are. Just on Bitcoin, nothing else. I'm not so interested in Litecoin, etc. There's much smaller, less volatility on some of these than we see on Bitcoin. So just really interested in the most volatile. Now, of course, what this highlights to me is if you're just being quite relaxed and trading, yes, there's 300 and so points a day to be seen on these markets, but if you're giving up 10% or even as much as 20% of that movement, that's it. They're huge spreads. Realistically, if you want to spread bet and keep it I say below the radar, there's one that stands out here really, called spreads. If you're quite happy of just having a normal CFD type account to trade, well, there's LMAX there. I mean, nothing else comes close. Now, if you're trading a lot, I would on this, it'll probably point you towards LMAX. As I say, I'd be interested if anyone's cheaper than that, but that is their day in, day out price. It's not anything flash. There is a commission. $3 is a minimum commission, but you can trade down to 0.01 of a contract, so you can trade small, but you will, as I say, incur a $3 move. But when you compare that to the costs here, it's insignificant. So there you are. I just thought I'd leave you with this. It's just a thought for the day. You can open an LMAX account. I'll put some links on there through using the Easy Trading name. It will allow you to trade, open an account with a lot less money because you'll be coming under our umbrella, in which case you can open an account not with the usual 10,000 but around about $2,000 or pounds equivalent, somewhere in that region. So if you're looking and you're regularly trading, it may be the place for you to be regularly trading. So there we go. I will give you all the links below on below the video to look at best brokers online, and also well, that will take you to, you can compare those brokers for other factors if you wish. Great all-round brokers. All of the other four that are, well, I say all-round, slightly expensive on Bitcoin, but great otherwise. They're the LMAX Core Spreads, Markets.com and XTB, and Saxo. I didn't put Saxo's price here. I hadn't logged into an account. Actually, I just thought, to be fair, I'd have a look at Saxo, but it doesn't. They don't appear to trade or allow you to trade Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies. So there we are. So I'll be fair after all that. Anyway, as I say, we'll give you all the links below. That really sums up this video for you. Hope you find it useful, and I would be interested in knowing what sort of spreads you're being charged by your Forex broker. Thanks. Bye.